gosh, you make it so hard. Oh, Atlas fell in. Haven fell in.
I farted.
Oh, don't tell us that. They gotta kick you out. This is the worst lazy river experience ever. Got it fixed. Was it freezing cold?
I thought it was warm.
Oh man, you're lucky. She said it was warm.
Wait, it's warm.
Perfect. There she goes. She made it. Let's go meet her. Haven, right here. How was it?
Good. I had to wait a long time. It was terrifying.
We didn't think you were coming back down.
I was.
We heard you scream. What? So we're going in. We're going in, guys. Oh man, that was cold. Oh, it's gonna knock me down. There's Haven.
Okay, I want to be next one. Okay, I want to pick you up.
I can't pick you up. We're getting too far out now. Oh god, that's cold. I'm floating away. Haven, grab Haven's hand. Grab Haven, she's floating away. You got my hand now, grab her hand. It's like a giant rope. Oh no! Come back!
I can't.
Oh god, the lifeguard's in the water. You guys are going out too far. This is the second wave pool they've dragged me to today. I think there's three. There are 3 wave pools or 2 wave pools here. Atlas? Dive under the water. Oh, don't hit my camera. Wait. Go do it again. something about it.
That was the party. I mean, that was the water park guide, and we had such a good time. I loved it. After the waves were done, we had to get out, but it was a good time.